Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are healthy and safe at home. Children, in the previous class you have learnt about single digit subtraction. Today we are going to do subtraction with double digit numbers. Okay? Children, we will take an example. Suppose you have a lot of strawberries with you, and when you counted them, you found you had 35 strawberries. That's a lot of strawberries with you. Then suddenly your friend came to your home. Both you wanted to eat strawberries because both were hungry and strawberries were super yummy. So you and your friend eaten 20 strawberries. That's right. Eating 20 strawberries, you want to find out how many strawberries are left with you. So we can solve this problem by writing. First of all, write tens and ones. Okay, and then we will write number of strawberries we were having earlier. You are having 35 strawberries with you. When your friend came to your home, how many you have eaten? 20. Then we will write 20 under 35. Okay? And we need to find how many are left after eating 20 strawberries. So what you will do, you will put a sign, minus sign here and here. In between the two slipping line, we will find the answer and we will write answer here. Okay. So this is a big problem. Earlier you have solved the problems with single digit number. Now we have a problem with double digit number, that is 35 minus 20 you have to find. So it is a big problem for you. So what you will do, we will break down this big problem into the little problem. How we can solve this? We will just put a hand like this on the tens column and we will hide the number. So we have only ones column. Ones column means 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 we have to find. So we will put how many stalks here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And how many stalks you want to cut? 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. So we will not cut any stalks. So which number will come? 5. Children, just remember, when we add 0 or we subtract 0 from a number, we get same number. Okay. So number 5 we will write here. Okay. We have written 5 because nothing we are going to cut. 0 के लिए हम कोई भी लाइन कट नहीं करेंगे. ओके बेटा. सो नाउ कम टू टेंस कॉलम. टेंस के अंडर क्या है? 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. We will solve this portion. Tens portion. 3 minus 2. So we need to put stalk. How many stalks? 3 stalks here. 1, 2, 3. And how many stalks we need to cut? 2. We will cut 2 stalks. 1, 2. We will cut 2 and how many are left? 1. So we will write 1 under tens column. And the answer which we get, that is 35 minus 20 is equal to 15. 35 minus 20 is equal to 15. Another example. First of all we will write tens and ones. Suppose you are having 17 balloons with you. how many balloons? 17 balloons. And 12 balloons you want to give to your sister. Okay, and you want to find how many are left after giving to your friend. So again we have a big problem with us, and we will break down this problem into little one. So how can we do? We will break the problem into tens and ones. So first we will solve ones portion, ones column, that is 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. So we will need to put 7 strokes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. And how many strokes we need to cut? 2. 1, 2. 2 strokes we will cut. Okay. How many are left? We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number is 5, and we will write under ones column. Okay. So now come to tens column. What is written here? 1. So we will put 1 stroke. And how many we need to cut? 1. So we will cut it. And how many are left? 0. Children, just remember, when we subtract same number from the same number, so we will, what we get? We get 0. Okay. जब हम सेम नंबर में से नंबर माइनस करते हैं, दोनों नंबर सेम होते हैं, तो हमारा आंसर जो आता है वो 0 होता है. ओके बेटा. सो वी विल टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. Suppose you are having 45 balls with you. How many balls? 45. Okay. And you want to give 14 balls to your friend. And you want to find how many balls are left with you. Okay. So again, this is a big problem, double digit problem, and we will solve by breaking into little one. So first of all, we will solve ones column. That is what is here, what is written here? Number 5. So we will put 5 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And how many strokes we are going to cut down? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will cut 4 strokes, and how many are left? 1. So we will write 1 under ones column. Okay. So now come to tens column. Which number is this? Yes, it is 4. So we will put how many strokes? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many need to cut? Yes, 1. So we will cut 1, and how many are left? Count. 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 under tens column. Okay, beta? So I hope you all understood the concept. Just do practice. Bye bye. Have a nice day.